Good afternoon, or almost night. Tonight I'm going to cook me, I have 2 cube steaks, small ones, and I'm just going to throw them on this Geiorge Foreman grill and cook them real quick. And I'm going to have a baked potato to go with them. So we'll get the Geiorge Foreman grill out. Been a while since I have used it. Just decided to do something different tonight. I always put everything back the way I took it out, so we're going to get it all set up right quick. That is, if I can remember how to do it. Go. Well, I just keep slamming it down. Now this one, when you plugged it in, it started heating. Some of them they say have thermometers on them, but this one just, it does it. So we're just going to let it heat for a few minutes. While that is heating up just a little bit, I have got some butt rub, and we're just going to put a little butt rub on our steak. Some people put a lot of stuff. I don't really like a lot of spices. This is really going to be a real quick video. It's definitely hot. It's already sizzling. Just going to shut this down for a little bit. And I'm only going to cook it for 3 minutes. And this was beef, all beef, and it says USD Choice Premium Beef.